In a partnership of more than 3 decades at NIH, Doug Lowy and John Schiller unlocked the key to understanding HPV, human papillomavirus, and engineering a way to prevent this devastating infection.
HPV causes a variety of cancers, of which the best known one is cervical cancer.
So I came into Doug's laboratory as a postdoc and just sort of never left, and the NIH was a great place to work.
John and I really worked together for quite a number of years before we started working on the vaccine.
We were actually doing basic research in how this virus caused cancer.
We hit upon the idea of expressing the major protein that gives rise to the virus particle, or the shell of the virus. We knew it contained the right kind of proteins to make antibodies that could interfere with infection.
One of the ideas that we had in making these virus-like particles is they could potentially be a vaccine, but even if they weren't, they would be really useful tools for studying the basic biology of this virus.
And that's where we hit upon the discovery of how to make that outer shell in such a way that it induced very high levels of the kinds of antibodies that turn out to be protective in this situation, and the kind of antibodies that frankly are protective in many kinds of vaccines.
So the basis is really a technological development that sort of led to a biomedical breakthrough.
Vaccine initiatives are reaching millions of girls and boys worldwide to protect them from infection.
The attraction of doing research is really the opportunity of making discoveries and of moving a field forward.
We would have this vaccine if Doug and I had never existed. And it's actually comforting, because what it says is that the whole research enterprise that we've invested all our dollars in has led to the point where developing this vaccine was inevitable.
I think that we both end up feeling that the research that we can do together is even better than what we might be able to do separately.